Hello everyone, welcome back to S3 Cloud Up. Today we are diving into one of the most useful but underrated AWS feature, tags and resource groups. If you want to organize your AWS resource better, track cost or automate your infrastructure, then tags are your best friend. Let's get started. First we have to understand what are AWS tags. AWS tags are simple key value pairs used to label your AWS resources like EC2, S3 and RDS. These tags help with organization, automation, billing, and access control. Let's take one example. You can tag an EC2 instance with environment, value production, and second is team, its value DevOps. Why are tags so powerful? Let's look at a few real world use cases. First is billing. AWS Cost Explorer lets you filter expenses by tags and such as a cost center 101. Okay. Then second is security. Text can be used in IAM policy to control access to specified resources. Then we can take automation also. Tag are helpful in automation tools like Lambda, System Manager, and Cloud Formation. Then last also in the list, which is monitoring. You can filter your dashboard in CloudWatch or AWS config using tags. In short, tags give you a better grip on large scale resource management. Now here is where it gets even more interesting. Resource groups. With resource groups, you can group AWS resources based on tags. This lets you view all related resources in one place. Perform bulk actions. Use it for filtered views in the AWS console. It's especially helpful in large account with hundreds of resources. So let me now show you a live demo where we will tag some EC2 instances and create a resource group using those tags. Now in this console here, as you can see, I have created three EC2 instances which names is web server 1, web server 2 or data server. Now we will give the tags to these three EC2 instances. So first we will click on the first instance, and here you can see tag section. We will go on that and we will give the tag to this instance. So here as you can see, manage tags. Now we will click on add new tag, and here we will give the key and values. So in the first we will give the project, and in the value we will give website. Then another tag we will give which will environment, and its value will be our production. Then save. Then for second instance we will give same tags, then we will click on save. Here you can see the our tags. First is name, then environment and project. Okay, now we will give the tags to the third one. We will give here project, its name is here website. Another tag we will give here a different tag from first two. In this environment, key will be same, but in the value we will give database. Now we have done for these three instances. We have give the tags. Now we will create a one new resource group for these tags instances. Okay, now for this we will search resource. Here you can see resource groups and tag editor. So go to the create resource group. Here we will select the tag based, then select resource group. In that we will select instances. EC2 instance. Now in this we will give our tags name as a project and second will website. We will add here. After the adding, here you can see our 3 EC2 instance which have tag project or website. Okay, if here we add environment, in that we add production and click on add. So now we can see only two EC2, web server 1 or web server 2, because these two have only environment and production key value. Okay, now we will give the group name, which is let's give tag group, and we will click on create group. Okay, from this step you can make easily your resource group. That said, all your tagged resource will show up in this group automatically. As a bonus tip, you can also apply IAM policy based on tags or even track cost by tags using Cost Explorer. These are advanced use cases that scale beautiful with large cloud environments. And on AWS tags and resource group, you now know how to tag resources, group them, and why it is so important in real world AWS project. If this video helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your cloud team, and don't forget to subscribe to the S3 Cloud Up for more AWS tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.